Hello, today we're going to work on lesson 12, and then we're going to first compare two-digit numbers by using greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's look at number 1. So we have 18 plus 9 and 42. We need to first add the numbers, which are 18 and 29. We need to first add the numbers that are on the ones place, 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17, and we need to write 7 on the ones place and 1 on the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have 47 on this side, and we have 42 on this side. And we need to first look at the tens place to compare it, and then since they have the same number, now we need to look at the ones place. And since 7 is greater than 2, we need to write this sign to show that 18 plus 29 is greater than 42. Let's look at number 2. We have 36 plus 12 and 16 minus 17. So 36 plus 12. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 48 on this side, and then now we need to subtract 17 from 60. However, since 7 is greater than 0, we need to borrow from 6, which becomes 5, and then 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have 43 on this side. And we have same number in the tens place again. So we need to look at the ones place, and we have 8 on this side and 3 on this side. And since 8 is greater than 3, we need to show that 36 plus 12 is greater than 60 minus 17. Let's move on to the next page. For this part, we have to circle the correct value of the underlined digit. Let's look at number 1. So this is ones place, and this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. And if there's one more number, then this is thousands place. So ones place is underlined, so we need to circle A, which is 4 ones. Let's look at number 5. We have 25, and then 5 is underlined, and it's on the ones place. So we need to circle A again, which is 5 ones. Let's look at number 7. 6 is underlined, and it's on the tens place. So we need to circle B, which is 6 tens. Let's look at the next page. For this part, we need to complete tables, and let's look at number 1. We need to fill in the blank, and each fish tank has 10 fish. So 1 fish tank is 10. So if there's 2 fish tank, that means we have 10 for 2 times. So we need to add 10 and 10. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 20. And then we need to add 10 again, which is 30. So we need to write 30 over here. And then for 5, we need to add 10 to 40. Which is 50. So we need to write 50. And then for 8, we need to add 10 to 70. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So it's 80, and then lastly, we need to add 10 to 80. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 90 is the last answer. Let's move on to the next page. Let's look at number 3. So 1 is 15, which means that for 2, we need to add 15 more to 15 students. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 30, and then 30 plus 15 is 45, and then 45 plus 15 is 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 60, and then lastly, 60 plus 15. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So when there's 5 classrooms, there are 75 students. Let's move on to the next page. For this part, we have word problems. Let's look at number 1. Bella loves puzzles. She had 20 puzzles. On her birthday, she got 13 more puzzles. How many puzzles does Bella have? So to find the total number of puzzles, we need to add 20 and 13. So 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is also 3. So yeah, 33 puzzles all together. Thank you.